everyone, and welcome back to the Naio Nails channel. In today's video we will be creating a stunning Pride Progress flag nail design featuring a mix of bold colours, abstract patterns and a striking silhouette. We're starting with the middle finger here and using Bittersweet and a gorgeous orange shade called Heatwave. We're going to ombre these together. It can be messy, it does not have to be neat, just make sure you get those brush strokes between each colour. Remember that the messier this ombre is, the better in a way, because that is abstract and that is what we're going for today. So pop that in the lamp once you're done, and while that is curing, we are going to get started on another nail, and we are using red and violet. But while we're doing this, did you know that the red in the Pride flag actually stands for life? Because I didn't. I thought it was love, but it's actually life. Whereas on the other hand, purple stands for serenity. This is also a really gorgeous purple, by the way. Okey-doke, pop that in the lamp again, and we're going to move on to the next nail. And we are using Evergreen and Royal Blood with this nail. Two gorgeous shades, very different to what we just used. And just make sure, again, you just keep those brush strokes really streaky through the center of the nail, and do not worry if it gets messy, because that is the key word today, messy and abstract. We are also going to repeat that step on all those nails with a second coat. So now, using an ombre brush and Snow White, we're just going to get a little bit here on the tip of the brush, and we're going to make some random strokes all over the nails that we just did. This is just going to add a little bit more of an abstract sort of effect across each nail. It's going to give them a little bit more of an edgy, bold effect. Once you've done that on all of them, cure in the lamp. We're going in with Serious Black now, and we're going to start the silhouette process. We're going to start by mapping out the different shape of the two men kissing. Okay, we're going to sketch out the forehead, nose, lips, chin, and add some hair. Don't worry if it looks rough at first. All these lines will soon come together once you fill it in. Also remember to give each person something different to give them some individuality. How stinking cute does that look already? Honestly, silhouettes are one of the most effective but easier ways to create a really bold nail art. So just finishing off on the second person here, looks great, and you want to just pop that into the lamp to cure now. While they're curing, we are going to move on to another nail that incorporates the colour of the transgender flag and representation for people of colour. We are going to use Baby's Breath, Blue Reflection and Chestnut Wood in a similar abstract style to keep them blended. Okay, back to the silhouettes. We're going to take the silhouette nail that we have already done and put it up against the second nail. And what you want to do is continue the design seamlessly onto the next nail. We are going to outline the rest of the head and add a bit of the shoulder before filling it in with Serious Black. Once we're happy with that, you're going to pop it into cure, and finally I'm going to do a simple nail at the end with Pride written on it in white. This is just a really fun and quick way to add a bold statement at the end of your set. Once you're done with this, you're going to pop it into cure. We do just finish this set with some in a nice shiny top coat and others in a matte top coat. If you absolutely loved how these turned out just as much as we did, then please drop a comment in the description box and let us know which bit was your favourite. Remember, life should always be celebrated, no matter your colour, your gender and who you choose to love. Stay proud and stay you. Thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe and hit the bell for more videos to follow.